It's free of charge. So Jan from FM Group, thank you to be there and let us know your use case.
Hello. I'm Jan from FM Group, and we are a company working with Milestone the last 2 years. And our focus are solutions based on license plate recognition, make, model, color, and type recognition. And in Milestone Protect, we have a plugin called Data Factory, which is collecting data from traffic from those applications. So here you can see how it looks when it's installed on the camera. Standard traffic installation, collecting data, make, model, color, everything done in the camera. Those data are then sent to one database. So if you have 20, 40, 100 cameras in your city with these applications, you have then everything in one central database. And this software is connected with Milestone Protect, so you can connect with the video for every car. So if you are looking for some stolen car, you don't know the license plate, you just look, like I'm searching for red Mazda yesterday evening in this part of the city, you just search in the engine and you have it. I mean, you have it in a couple of seconds. Second thing which is important there is that we can change the software quite fast because there is a customization engine. So every city can define what they need to or what they will see. So they will have one dashboard with statistics like charts, which cars, which days, which part of the city. But they can also have some calculations like transit time. How much time does it take to go through city center from camera 1 to camera B? Or there are other use cases also. We can calculate average speed, for example, and you can also have lists. So you can track public transportation vehicles or any, I don't know, wanted cars or VIP vehicles, police cars, anything. You can have it in one list, have notifications, have everything stored in one place, export when you need it. So that's it.